Well, let me quickly just seize this opportunity to thank my people, both the cast and crew, our guests today. We really don't have much time, but I want to quickly say this. I appreciate all the actors in this movie. And I must also say that I enjoyed quite a number of support from them, especially those of them that did not even receive one kobo from me. And they worked hard. I want to say a very big thank you to Brother Shaggy for his effort. He was with me for over 15 days. And he did not even collect one kobo from me. And apart from that, he worked vigorously. And he also supported some other casts. Femi Adebayo, well, I won't say anything about him. He's my son. He has no choice. I give him no kobo. Likewise, Odunlade Adekola, the crew, as well as, let me say, the directors, led by Bayo Tijani, Osha. Yes, they really, I don't know what the press will say about this production. I don't know what the people that watched it today will say about this production. But those are the people that did the magic. Bayo Tijani, Tunde Olaoye, and Jide Kosoko. Please, a round of applause for them. And I want to quickly say a very big thank you to my family, my home family, and Sola Kosoko Abino. She worked wonderfully well. She was the line producer. I was only busy looking for money. Look at them. Look at them. They are all here. They are always side battle for killing more some. Sugar came out to go away. No police. In fact, I'm going to be with you. I'm so grateful to you. I'm so grateful to all of you. Femi Adebayo has been here to stand up. Hotel, where is he? He has not. Hotel, I thank you all for your support, and I still need your support. Ẹ wo tó ló kàn jẹ́ pé bó ṣe ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ táwọn olóyìnbó dé yìí, wọ́n ń gba owó ní premier. Báwo ṣe ń ṣe nígbà tí wàá kọ́ yẹn? Àwa máa ń lọ́ọ̀nchì fíìmù ní àmọ́ kọ́kọ́ gbogbo premier àtẹ̀yìn sọ yìí. Gbogbo àwọn Fẹ́mi, gbogbo àwọn ọdún, gbogbo wọn tó ti wá ní máa gba owó lọ́wọ́ wọn. Àtọkọ Mercy Ayinoko. Adekas. Thank you so much for being here. I feel so yetoro. Oh my God. Epsilon.
One of the cars. I feel so yetoro.
Ẹnì kan wá tiẹ̀ wá bá mi gbà tá a ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn. Wọ́n ní Epsilon àmà lórúkọ ẹ̀ ní àwọn tẹ́fẹ́ fún olówó kọ́ òwò ni. In fact, I enjoyed a lot of support. Camille, that's my very good friend Camille, the white guy. He's the one that organized all this. I love you so much. Roti Bisalamida.
Jide Kosoko alpha.
Roti Bisalamida jẹ́ pé òun bá ń ṣe òkìlà ń kó lọ́wọ́. He was still busy promoting my own production. Please, a round of applause for it. Mo appreciate it. Iyabo Ojo da. She was about the first to be here today, and she was with me throughout. I was not about to be promoted, but I now need the support of every one of you, the media people, and our guest today, Ejo. Me more contemporary film yes. Kole Afolayan was here. In fact, I used Kole Afolayan's equipment. At a point, I was in crisis. Bibati, only kilomonu mi wan bi kankan bi. Mo wá rántí pé Kole ma ẹni kan ló ti ẹ̀ta bí ló Kole ma ní gbogbo equipment yìí. Mo bá lọ bá sórí ẹ̀ ò pé ni. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé bàbá ẹ lò mí gan ni? Bàbá ẹ̀ nù mí gan, mo sá bàbá ẹ̀ búkú. Bá ń kó kíní o jàre, wọ́n ṣàkẹ́rù jáde. Bàtà ṣẹlẹ̀ náà. Bọ́lá, I'm so happy you are here.
Ayọ̀láyà.
Jide mo ti rí ẹjọ́. Adekas, thank you so much. I cannot say much. Time will see. Ẹjọ́ ǹjẹ́ àríwú ìwà Adémọ́lá bí. Ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi bẹ àwọn ọmọ mi gbogbo wọn. It is not over until it is over. Folúkẹ́dá.
Ẹni ọlájà.
Èrè ẹ̀. Báwo má bínú jọ ẹni ọláṣọwà bá. Thank you so much. Mo ti rí ẹ gbogbo ayé ti rí ẹ. Folúkẹ́dà.
Folúkẹ́rì àjọ.
Ẹ̀wù ẹ má bínú sí mi. Ìpè kí tètè yọ̀ǹda àwọn èèyàn kan máa lọ ní. Ẹlẹ́ṣọ̀ wọ́n lẹ́lẹ́ṣọ̀ wà bí. Ó yẹ kí n dámọ̀ straight lọ́kàn ni. Àfi òní ìṣàpá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa wá káàkiri. Àwọn wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ok, àwọn fíìmù tá a lè fẹ́ yà next. Àfi la fẹ́ fi rúbọ. So a ní láti máa wá kiri. Ẹ wo bàbá mi lè dárúkọ yìí tán ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má bínú sí mi. And I want to specially thank my doctor. Bídèmí, ṣé mo ti dárúkọ ẹ? Bídèmí wà mí. Ó ṣe gbẹgbẹ. But I want to specially thank Remy. Ṣé wọ́n rí ẹ wọ́n ti rí àga ẹni? Wọ́n ti rí Remy Chitabi. Àwọn tó dúró tì mí náà nìyẹn. Adé Jide Kosoko.
Organizer.
In fact, she is the lead organizer for all this.
Let's go.
I don't know how
It's so beautiful.
all my children wọ́n surprise me torí eléyìí. Mo ṣe bá wọn dá sí kankan mọ́. Mo lè ti rí pé mi dá sí kankan mọ́.
Ẹ bá mi dárúkọ Tìmọ́ ẹjọ́ o.
Tìmọ́dà.
Ọba Tìmọ́.
Tìmọ́ ló ń fẹ́ jẹ ọ̀tún mídíà. Ojú òní ti Kàmọ́. Gbogbo ikọ̀ wọ́tà mo fi pẹ́ ẹjọ́ má bínú. Ẹ tí màá dárúkọ ẹ̀. Ẹ má bínú. Ọlọ́run wà pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run ti rí ẹ máa ga ní ẹ máa ga ní. Ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ọ̀tẹ̀.
Ẹ wá meet and greet o, hello everybody, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣe rí iṣẹ́ ṣẹ̀fẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni o. Gbogbo àná la gbàdúrà pé ká dé age tí àwọn bàbá wa wà ká dẹ̀ sì máa ṣiṣẹ́ yìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ eléyìí ń ṣe yìí tá a máa ṣe fúnra wa o, bàbá wa la fẹ́ ṣe fún o. So láti 28th oṣù tá a wà yìí ní fíìmù tí máa jáde. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo wa pátápátá ẹ jẹ́ ká kàn máa pè wọ́n ní pé sáà ìbúlẹ̀ fẹ́ fèmí sí. Àkúrẹ́ ni mo wà, Ìbàdàn ni mo wà, gbogbo apátápátá ọmọ adúró ti wá o. Tó bá di ọjọ́ gbọ́wọ́ ọjọ́ alẹ́ wa tí wọ́n máa fẹ̀yìn tí wọ́n máa jẹ̀gbádùn, ìbànújẹ́ ò ní jẹ́ tiwa o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe léyìí o, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o, God bless you all.
Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Oyinda náà gbogbo ìtí mo kó wọ̀nyí má pariwo mo sanwó. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé microphone fún Folúkẹ́dà Ramọ́lá kó bá mi sanwó náà tún.
Hello, good evening everybody. Thank you so much for coming out to watch this wonderful magic that we made. But it is not over yet. We need everybody to be our town crier. Word of mouth is very important. You have watched a very interesting movie. Everybody can testify to that. And we have done well. But it is not over yet. We need everybody to chip in a word on our behalf on this movie so that it can go out like wildfire. It's coming out on the 20th of March. 20th of March. Tell somebody to tell somebody that Esugbayi Eleko is coming out powerfully. A very interesting movie, very fantastic. And you know, all your favorite celebrities are there. Guys, please help us chip in a word on this movie. Thank you everybody for coming out. We appreciate you. We appreciate everything that you have done so far.
Somebody say somebody say Esugbayi. Somebody say Jide Kosoko gbayi. March 20 a máa gbayi. Somebody say March 20 a máa gbayi. Ladies and gentlemen, Daddy, I celebrate you once again. Bàbá wa ti ṣiṣẹ́ o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. We want to beg everybody. Ẹ bá wa wo fíìmù yìí. This particular project that I just watched, he has spent a lot. Ẹ sà, tó o bá wo sí mẹ́ta pé inú fíìmù yìí, àmọ́ pé kì í mọ̀ ṣeré. Somebody say kì í mọ̀ ṣeré. Go to every cinema and watch it. After watching, create a video about it, talk about the film. Ladies and gentlemen, from March 28th, every cinema, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ wo film Daddy wa Esugbayi Eleko. See now, tí bá pè lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, tí bá pè lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, ẹni ẹ̀kọ́ àtẹ̀kọ́, ó lọ àbí ò lọ. Kókó ẹ ṣàbá wa wo fíìmù wa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, Jerry, Daddy ò gbọ́dọ̀ regret mọ́ wá sí cinema. That is very important to me. For this reason, gbogbo wa, ìwọ gan lọ ṣe meet and greet lọ́jọ́ opening weekend. Everybody, gbọ́dọ̀ tó mú kámẹ́rà ẹ̀ wá fi fídíò ìgbowó, ìwọ gan lọ ṣe meet and greet ní March 20. Everybody, March 20, let's go out, let's support Daddy Esugbayi Eleko in all cinemas.
All right. Thank you, everybody. All has been said. This is my father. And this recent day, this is his first cinema film. And he has done so well for this country, cinema-wise. Cutting across every field. Ladies and gentlemen, by March 20th, please, let's celebrate him. Let's put our hands together for him. Let's clap. We sat here for 2 hours, it's just like 2 minutes. There is no, am I wrong? If it's not a dumb movie, make the noise, make it louder. Please come and celebrate Prince Jide Kosoko. May the Lord bless you. March 20, all cinemas all over Nigeria.
And finally, before I give it to Eniola, please, I have to quickly say a special appreciation of my father, Oba Akiolu. He did a lot when I was researching. Baba brought documents, apart from giving me enough direction. I appreciate Kábíyèsí Aláyélúwà. Kí adé kó pẹ́ lórí, kí bàtà kó pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀, ká ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́. I am so grateful, so grateful.
Thank you. Ó ní orin kan tí gbogbo a máa ń kọ fún Eleko. Sola Kosoko ẹ̀bùn TV. Eleko kọ́ ni first cinema jọ Prince Jide Kosoko. Wọ́n máa là ń sọ̀tún, wọ́n ti ṣe òjijì ní years back. So eléyìí ò ń ṣe àkọ́pà àjẹ́. Àbínú ilé àwọn iṣẹ́ ńláńlá tó gbọ́ ti wò ń cinema. Wọ́n kàn ní kan Gen Z generation ẹ jẹ́ ká bọ́ta. Mo wo fíìmù yẹn, èmi rí nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ń bẹ̀. Eleko àfijú ọba. Eleko àfijú ọba. Àfijú ọba tí fọlá rẹra. Àfijú ọba tí fọlá rẹra. Eleko mi bọ̀ lọ́nà. Ẹni ẹ̀gàn lómi àpọ̀bà òsì. Congratulations, sir.
Daddy, I celebrate you, sir. Congratulations, sir. Oh my God, this is a well-executed storyline. Like, hey, Owo Losi. Like, from where I met it, honestly, I didn't start from the beginning, but no. Guys, I'm begging you. I swear to God, but when industry like that, go out there and support our legend, our daddy. We need your support. Me, Daddy, you don't have to call me. I call my sisters. Like, I'll be out there for Daddy. Daddy, oh, worry my God bless you. I'm so sorry. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anne.
Oba Jide Kosoko, congratulations. Okay, àti pẹ́tipẹ́, oníkálukú ló mọ̀ kẹ́ ẹ̀, you are my big boss. You are my boss in every aspect of life because I started from you and I knew the kind of person, you are a big guy. But you know, I need to say that. But it's serious, so this production is a production. Kò sí gbogbo ìwà náà la ìjàpá ò lè rìn àwọn ò lè sáré kẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ ó ti lè bẹ̀ ní kírun àmọ́ ẹ bá wọn mọ̀ pé ó fẹ́ràn Kújídé ẹ bá mọ̀ pé Kújídé jẹ́ tó gbogbo pátápátá kájọ sí polówó kínní lẹ́yìn polówó kínní ìka bá wọn polówó débi pé gbogbo all states wọn bá gbé lọ pátá ká jẹ́ kí parade wa ó rinlẹ̀ ká jẹ́ kí ìpolówó ó rinlẹ̀ ká jẹ́ kí kàńpé wa ó rinlẹ̀ ní agbára Ọlọ́run ajé ni ó bàdé o ajé ni ó bàdé o ajé ni ó bàdé o lọ́la láàkúlà. ọ̀gá o ẹ̀sìn.
ẹ kálẹ́ o.
ẹ wo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ àfihàn ètò lè kó ṣàfihàn tiẹ̀ ẹ yàtọ̀ sí wáyé. àfihàn ètò ó dúró tì mí even ti ṣe máa ṣe jọ lọ káàkiri náà lè ẹ bá mi kí ẹ bá mi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run bàbá ná owó.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o.
Wọ́n nára wọ́n ná wàhálà èmi àti wọn ní níjẹta ní àtúnṣe mi kọ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ wo nǹkan tí abc of it ní pé ẹ jẹ́ ká fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ mọ́ fún bàbá yìí o bàbá ti tún jóye ní ìsìn wọn ní act mọ́ wọ́n kàn máa produce ní. Okay. So nítorí náà ẹ jọ̀ọ́ láti 28th of this month tó fi máa dé sinimá máa wà ní gbogbo every cinema all over the country ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo wa ẹ jẹ́ ká jáde o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ yàtọ̀ sí yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ social media handle wa our Facebook our TikTok our kìíní yàtọ̀ sí pé àwọn teasers tán ṣe a lè ṣe àwọn náà lè ṣe fúnra wa ẹ jọ̀ọ́ Olúwa wà pẹ̀lú wa o Olúwa jẹ́ kí bàbá yìí ó pẹ́ o ìdùnnú á wà pẹ̀lú àwa náà ṣe tiwa náà láyọ̀ àtàlàáfíà. God bless you, sir.
Ekala everybody. And I love you all. Oh, somebody calls me for more there. You're right. Okay. Okay, now there's something I love about this film, and it excites me so much because Tiabawu Nile Ekowans and wanting kill history, and this is preservation of history. I want we all to give Daddy a round of applause for this. And I want we all to spread this news. This film goes beyond going to the cinema to see it. This is going to be a point of reference. Just a tip of the iceberg when it comes to the history of Lagos. More to come from many of us. Thank you all. Support Eleko Oba Esugbayi in all cinemas. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotimi. Masoyingbo.
Ẹ kálẹ́ o. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí Rotimi ṣe sọ, ìtàn wa tá a bá sọ fúnra wa, ẹlòmíì á sọ fún wa ní ọ̀nà tí ó tọ́, wọ́n wá tàn wá. Nígbà tó bá tàn wá tọ́, à wá tàn. Nígbà tá a bá tàn, gbogbo nǹkan tó jẹ́ tiwa á tàn. Nǹkan tí bàbá wa wá ṣe yìí, don't leave me, láti jẹ́ kí ìtàn wa kó tàn fún àwọn àrọ́mọdọ́mọ wa, ó yẹ kí agbárùkù tiwọn. Ká rí wípé a jẹ́ kó rinlẹ̀ dáadáa. Kó má bàa tán. Kí ó má bàa tán. Káwa náà má bàa tán. Nítorí ìtàn tí wọ́n ká sílẹ̀ yìí, ìtàn tó yẹ kí gbogbo wa pátápátá ká gbárùkù tiwọn ni. Bàbá, ibikíbi tẹ́ bá ti nílò mi, mo wà ń bẹ̀ fún yín láṣẹ Ìdùmarè. Ẹ ṣé gangan ni ló máa pa owó ẹ̀ láṣẹ Ìdùmarè. agbára Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣé gan ni.
Minus 50,000. Minus 50,000.
Okay, good evening, everyone. First and foremost, I would like to appreciate everyone for coming out to show us this much love, this support. We are not taking it for granted. We appreciate everyone, family, friends, fans, especially our cast and crew. Their professionalism, their commitment, their love during the production, none is taken for granted. We appreciate you all. We love you. Yes, it was tough. If you ask me again and again, I will say that it was tough. It was capital intensive, but we pulled through. We give glory and honor to God Almighty. I want to seize this opportunity as well to appreciate my siblings. Everybody, no choice anyway. It's our production. Our father's production is our production. They have all tried. Oyebade Kosoko, well done. Lanre Kosoko, well done. Ademuyiwa Kosoko, Afis Kosoko, Rotimi Kosoko, Biology Kosoko. Thank you. Bola Oyade Jobi, God bless. Olumba Oluba. Bola Oyade Jobi Kosoko, thank you very much. Aftemilade Kosoko. Papa T. God bless you, my brother. God bless everyone. Now, just like yesterday, we were cooking this meal. Now it is ready to be served to the world. You have to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend and another friend and another friend. Word of mouth goes a long way. Please do this for us. It is historical, and with God's best hands on ground. I mean the cast and crew to work on this project. So we attended to every detail. And you know, Shari Kotewu.
Are you?
Share love it.
I love it.
Historical and entertaining. Is it not educative and informative?
No dumb moments.
It is a story of Lagos by we Lagosians.
Yes.
Somebody just said that if you don't tell our story, who will tell it for us? Yes. So we are telling our story. Please. I will still have more, a lot. Please preach it to the world. Let them watch and enjoy it. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Gen Z.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for that.
Hello, good evening. My name is Adeza Imo, and you're live at the premiere of Esugbayi, a movie by the legendary Jide Kosoko. And you know that when legends come together to put out a movie, we expect excellence. This movie tells the story of the colonial era of the Lagosians fighting to get back their rights as citizens of the country, Nigeria. So we're going to be speaking to the cast and crew of this movie. Stay with us to not touch that out.
I am so happy, see, especially because we put in a lot of effort to get this magic done.
Yeah.
And as such, I want to see people watch it and tell me their view about this.
Alright, sir. What was your experience like cooking up this movie? What was your experience like?
Yes, you know, this is not my first cinema job, but the first one I did was way back when we are shooting on celluloid. I shot Ojiji then, but you cannot compare the challenges of that time with what is happening now.
Yes.
I am so happy that I am able to produce one, and let's see how it goes.
Right. Sir, if you were to describe this movie in 3 words, what would you say, sir?
Highly historical,
Okay.
educational,
Okay.
and of course full of entertainment
Wow.
and informative.
So what will you tell the fans lastly to come down to watch the movie? What are your words to the fans, your fans, so that they can come watch?
I just want to tell my fans everywhere they are. If you look at it, it's been a long time. I've been in this for quite a long time. And this is perhaps my first attempt on cinema in recent times. And I expect my fans, my friends, even my enemies, to support me by going to cinemas. It will be in cinemas from the 20th. I want people to just troop out to watch various films. You can see that the president of my association is here. That is the global president of Tampan. And to give our full support.
Thank you so much.
101 support.
Wow, thank you.
He's a veteran, he's a leader, he's a mentor, he's a role model.
Wow.
So,
Thank you so much.
and I'm so grateful to you for being a very energetic and focused president that we ever.
Good evening, my name is Adeze and I'm here with the most beautiful, the mothers of all mothers. Iyabo Ojo, good evening, ma.
Good evening.
First of all, I love your makeup, I love your dress.
Thank you.
So what's the inspiration behind this?
The team, it says vintage and we're trying to look as vintage as possible.
And you do look vintage.
Thank you.
Okay, tonight we're here for the legendary Jide Kosoko and his movie that is pushing out to the cinema. So how do you feel being here tonight?
I feel honored and excited at the same time. Uncle Jide has always been a fantastic director first, and a producer and an actor. So I'm here to see his works. And I know he's from Eleko, you know, and he's telling us a story about Eleko. So I'm here to also learn one or two things about it.
So have you seen the trailer?
I haven't actually.
Oh, okay, so I can ask you the next question.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So I was going to rate, if you were to be a king in Nigeria, which state would you choose?
I'll choose my state, Ogun State.
Okay, can you name 5 foods from Ogun State?
5 what?
Foods.
Food?
Yeah.
I know we like laughing a lot.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe rice. I don't know.
Rice?
We all eat rice. Okay. Everybody eats rice, so that's a common food.
Like
amala.
Okay.
What else? I think I don't know.
What's your favorite dish, native dish?
Mine is rice. Oh wow. I love rice.
Okay,
and I also
rice.
native maybe amala.
Nice.
I love
Thank
that.
you so much. And we're here live with our daddy, legendary actor. So how are you feeling tonight?
I'm fine.
I'm happy to see that. I love what you're wearing. Tonight is the premiere of this beautiful movie.
Yeah.
How do you feel being here to support?
Oh, fantastic. I'm aware.
Okay. You're part of this project?
Definitely. I'm part of it.
Yes. So
and I'm very proud of it.
Yes. So how was it like being part of this movie as one of the cast?
Well, I'm very happy to be part of this movie because we are telling good stories.
Yeah.
You understand? It's good to tell stories, to tell our stories.
Yes.
So our unborn generation, you understand, be able to know what Eleko is all about.
So if you were, lastly, sorry, if you were to describe this word in 3 words for the fans so that they can come and see it, what would you say, sir?
I would say go out there from 28th of March throughout cinema, the whole nation.
So being part of this project, how was it like for you, sir?
Fantastic.
What's the experience
Fantastic.
like?
You know, it's tough though, but you know, we bless God for that. We bless Almighty God.
Okay, without giving out any spoilers, can you tell the fans what to expect from this movie?
I'm expecting success, more success for this movie, the good outcome.
Wow.
I'm expecting that people will turn out for it.
Of course they
because it's the
will.
first biopic of Lagos history.
Of course they will.
And they want to, we want to watch it.
Yes. So I'm saying, what should the fans expect from this movie?
It is entertaining, educative, and informative.
So they're going to learn a lot. You'll be educated.
Yes,
so
and it is 12, It's graded PG. So anybody,
so you can come with your mom, your dad,
anybody can watch this movie. Esugbayi Eleko.
Okay, so I know you're part of the royal family.
Exactly.
So if you were to, let's assume you're not a Lagosian.
Okay.
If you were to be a king of another place, another state in Nigeria, which king would you be? Which place would you choose?
Benin.
Benin. Why, sir?
Because I just like the attire and the culture.
Wow.
Actually, we came from Benin too.
Oh, okay.
Yes, if you check the history, we are affiliated to Benin Kingdom.
Wow. First of all, I love your feedback.
Thank you.
What's the inspiration behind it?
Oh, well, I thought of royalty. I thought of
well, Ajay, and I said, okay, let's have it all glammed up.
And you gave 10 over 10 over nothing.
Yeah.
Look. It's a place for me.
Yeah,
Alright, so
thank you.
I know you're part of this project.
Yeah.
How was it like to be filmed with the legendary Jide Kosoko?
Fantastic. Uncle Jide has always been a father to me. He's one that has always supported me all the way.
Yeah.
He's also my political mentor as well.
Wow.
So working with him was challenging because I had to give my best.
Yes.
Because if I didn't give my best, he would have complained.
Okay.
And then it was nice, and we had a fantastic time. We worked as a family, and everybody was really professional.
Wow.
And was fun.
Oh, that's so cute to know. Alright, so without giving out any spoilers, can you tell the fans what to expect from this movie?
History of the Eko, Lagos for sure.
Okay.
And as I said, Lagos for sure. That's why I have bling bling. And then so it's one that teaches our cultural heritage, our antecedents in royalty, and then the Yoruba culture, the richness and the strength of the Yoruba culture.
So if you had to describe this movie in 3 words, what would you say?
Very, very interesting.
Okay.
What else? Beautiful to watch. Fantastic cinematography.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful night. Here with your SBB Ninja alumni, Jay.
Jason J, what's up?
Yes, sir. So how are you feeling tonight?
Amazing. Finally, yeah, I feel great.
Okay. First off, I love the feet.
Thank you.
So what's the inspiration putting this together?
If you know Michael Jackson, you know Trailer, and they said we should do vintage. So I'll pick the one and only
Michael Jackson. Give us one Michael Jackson moves. Come on. Okay, I will spray you. I will try. All right, so tonight we're live here for the premiere of Eleko Oba Esugbayi.
Yeah.
So, are you part of the Eko family? Do you know about the story of the Eko family?
A little bit. I don't have in-depth knowledge, but then I have like a rough idea.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that's fair enough. So, have you seen the trailer of this movie?
Yes, I have.
Oh wow! So,
Amazing.
what was your thought process seeing that? What were your expectations now? Having seen the trailer.
I don't know. I have so many expectations. I want to see the trail, because that was the feeling I got when I was watching the trailer. I got goosebumps. You know, it's giving the people that fought for us, to be here today. So yeah, I can't wait to see it. It's an amazing movie.
Okay, so what words do you have for the legendary Jide Kosoko tonight, seeing that premiering this movie?
God bless you, sir. You've done it again, and we are here to support, to follow the legendary standard you've created. So God bless you. Keep giving us, standards like this, and God will keep helping you.
Thank you. Amen. Do you have something to say to your fans?
Everybody should come out and see this movie, because it is an amazing movie. I can promise you.
Wow.
I bet my reputation on that.
Okay. Oh, you guys said that, right? You bet his reputation. That's a lot.
Yep.
So if you were to become a king of any place in Nigeria, any city, which one would you choose?
My hometown, Ondo State.
Ondo State.
Ondo town.
Ondo town.
The king, yes.
I hope that comes. I'm here with the elegant looking Jide Kosoko.
Bankole.
Okay.
Jide Kosoko Bankole.
Clock that, please. First of all, I love what you're wearing tonight.
Thank you so much.
What's the inspiration behind it?
Well, like the dress code said, vintage royal. So, and I'm royalty naturally by blood. I'm royalty. So,
come on now, clock that. All right, tonight we know we're here for the premiere of the beautiful movie by the legendary Jide Kosoko, and you are part of this project, and your family too. How do you feel tonight being here?
I'm super happy. I'm so happy, because this is like a dream true.
Okay.
And then breaking into the cinema world is not an easy thing, but we thank God we are here. And of course, we made magic. And I can't wait for you guys to see it.
Okay, so now let me go to the next question. We're not giving out spoilers. Tell the fans what to expect from this movie.
Just expect the best. I'm not going to say anything. I will not tell you about the story. Of course, you all know that it's Lagos story.
Yes.
I'm not going to say much. Just watch out.
Do you not tell us anything? You not give us anything?
I will not give you. I will not give you.
Okay, no problem. We are cool. All right, so What's if you were to describe this movie in 3 words, what would you say?
I would say, should I call it power?
Okay.
Let me say power.
Okay.
Because when the white people tried to take over and then we're able to like stand on our feet like no.
Yeah.
This is us, this is our culture, this is what we do, and it was achieved. So let me say, like, we'll call it power.
Yeah, with the beautiful. Tell us your name and what you do, man.
My name is Jide Kosoko and I'm a creative producer and an actor.
Nice.
Thank you.
All right, tonight we're here for the premiere of Eleko Oba Esugbayi. I know you're part of this family. You're one of the Kosokos. So how do you feel tonight, seeing people, and being that you're also part of this project? How do you feel tonight?
Super excited. I'm extremely excited because what's there not to be excited about? We have a project in the cinema and it's not a small project, a big project. So yeah, I'm super excited.
Wow. So without giving out any spoilers, can you tell us what you expect from this movie?
Expect to laugh, expect to learn, and just expect to have fun in general.
Okay, I love your dress.
Thank you.
What's the inspiration behind this?
Actually, I designed it myself. Yeah, I designed it myself. I just thought, okay, you know what? I want to wear something that is vintage, that's the brocade material, but I don't want to wear it the traditional way.
Yeah.
So I tried to come up with a design and I gave it to my designer.
And 10 over 10, over nothing. Glad that. So, if you were to describe this movie in 3 words, what would you say?
History. Interesting.
Okay. Funny. If you were to be a queen of which kingdom? I know you're from the royal family. Don't worry, I know. So if you were to be a queen of another kingdom, which kingdom would you choose?
If Wakanda was existing, maybe.
Wakanda for And I'm live here with the most handsome.
tó bá tàn mí níbi tán àmì kò sá sọ ọlọ́run máa fojú ẹ̀ jẹ́ ẹni bó ṣe wá ìmì yẹn ẹlẹ́dàá mi máa bù.
No, I'm not.
Mi ṣe pé ní Saturday.
It's okay. Well, I love what you're wearing, sir. What's the inspiration behind this?
I'm wearing a race clothing. Okay. Clothing.
Wow.
He has a clothing brand, so he made this for me.
And you look good.
Thank you so
10
much.
over 10 over nothing.
Oh shit. I'm a state here.
Exactly. Around set. So tonight we are live at the premiere of the movie of the legendary man.
Eleko.
Yes, Eleko. How do you feel being here tonight?
I feel so happy. I feel so, so opportune because it's a big opportunity. So privileged. Okay, I feel privileged.
Yeah.
For somebody like me, I watched Baba when I was 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
Even some of us, our parents, watch Baba too. It is a big privilege for me to be here today. Let's celebrate Baba wa, Prince Jide Kosoko, Oizi. We pray Baba. Over the years, Baba has been in the industry, producing good movie, and Baba is still here. It is not easy.
Back to back.
Easy. Cinema, Baba 2 and cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to support Baba too.
Love that.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wo fíìmù àwọn èèyàn wa, ẹ bá wo fíìmù Baba náà Esugbayi, Eleko.
Thank you very much. What would you, if you were to, I want to ask you this question.
Okay.
I know you're a Yoruba man.
Okay.
So, but if you were to be a king of another country aside from Nigeria, which kingdom would you choose?
London.
London.
London, ayé pọ̀ mẹ́rin.
Why?
Ayé pọ̀ fún ọba àwọn bẹ̀. So the king enjoys so much.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Oh,
King of London.
Like that.
Yes, King Charles Kamo.
Come
King
on.
Charles Kamo.
First of all, I love what you're wearing. I love what you're wearing.
Oh, of course.
What's the inspiration for your designer?
Yeah, it's just authentic to see. This has to do with royalty today. You understand? We are talking about it's a story of one of the most prominent, one of the most powerful kings in Lagos State.
Yes.
So, you can see.
And you're giving. You look like a king right now, Your Majesty. So tonight you're live at the premiere of this beautiful movie by the legendary Jide Kosoko. How do you feel being part of this project right now, seeing it turn up?
Sincerely speaking, I'm not part of this project. I'm not one of the actors. But here is our father in the industry. Someone that paved the way for the likes of me.
Yes.
And we're happy that even over 70, he's still doing his magic. So he's still doing his thing. So I'm here to show love and support, you know, our Baba in the industry. And of course, I know it's going to be an amazing night.
So if you were to, have you seen the trailer of the movie?
Of course, yes.
Okay, so what are your expectations? Saying that you've seen the trailer, you know the storyline more, what are your expectations?
It's going to keep us already. The trailer was gripping, and I know the movie itself will be gripping. Yes.
If you were to be a king of a country, which king of a country would that be? If you were to be a king of a country, which country would that be?
One country or two countries? One.
Yes.
King of Nigeria.
King of Nigeria. Close that. Thank you very
guys.
much.
Yeah, it's me, Wademola, the king of Nigeria. God bless you guys.
And yes, you've heard it from the artist's mouth, the cast and crew of this movie. I've told you what to expect. And of course, if you're like me that is curious and want to see if truly what they mentioned and what is in this movie, I will go to the cinema on the 20th of March to see this movie. So make sure you do that. Let's go watch Esugbayi.
Hello guys, how are you? My name is Iyabo Ojo. Keep watching Society Plus.